So in the cluster beans, for some reason, we can see that in control, they flowered early and then also fruited early. So already, yeah, we can see the fruits and flowers. They're already grown up. Yeah. But whereas in biochar applied plots, of course, especially here, I don't see some plants are also missing in some part. But here still it is flowering and yet fruiting has to happen in this plot. 1 kg biochar compost applied plot. Then similarly this 2 kg applied plot also we can see that the flowering has started. The fruiting is, you see, it is very low. It has not started actually much. So maybe the growth is happening and see the difference from here to here around 5-6 inches only fruiting happened here in biochar applied plot. 5-6 inches only, and about here more than 1 feet length flowering is there. Okay, in the biochar applied one. So here also same thing, only few 2-3 inches fruiting, but here at least 14 inches flowering. Okay, this is the difference. So it means it will fruit. Okay, but here let us see the control one. In control one, on an average if we take, it is from here, let us say, already the fruiting happened from here to here. So about 1 foot area fruiting happened, and hardly about 6-7 inches flowering is there. Okay, here also you see fruiting happened at least 6 inches area from here to here. Flowering is very small. It means this cycle is also over. Here means this is the end of it. So early fruiting, early harvest is happening here. Got it? But whereas in biochar one,
there also we can see this.
Yeah, almost all everywhere it is same.
Lot of fruits
Yeah.
there and flowers is very less.
The fruits, the fruiting happened here up to more than 1 feet. Can you see? But flowering is hardly 3-4 inch. So it means in control plot, for some reason, this fruiting is happening very fast and it is ending also. Whereas in biochar applied plots, there is a lag. The lag is fruiting is very small. You see hardly 3-4 inches, but flowering is still existing. The ratio if we take, so you calculate now the ratio of the fruiting area, height, and the flowering area. Then that will tell the story, actual story. It means this is not the end of it. The results are not end. So it is beginning actually.
Ratio of the fruiting area and the flowering
Yeah,
area.
like that from here to here if you take, this is the fruiting area. So this is the flowering area. Okay. So this heights average you take. It means in control it started early and it is closing early. But here it is a lag. Is it clear?
Yeah.
You can observe that.
Yeah, right.
So this is very special.
This is 2 kg.
Yeah.
2 kg.
This is 2 kg one. Same thing. You see the fruiting area, very small, and flowering area is about 8-9 inches here. You can see that. So even if I take one fruit here, let us say 2 kg one, average, we can take from there also control. You have to check the vibrancy of this fruit, length, I'll keep it here, we can count later. Everywhere we take one. You can see the height. Yeah, same thing. Here actually, again same challenge here. The fruiting area is small, flowering area is very high. Can you see? So it means it will happen. It is not the end.
And it will still grow?
Yeah, it will grow because flowers are there, very nice, vibrant. You see only two here. Can you imagine with that control?
Many fruits are there in the
But here this is very high
Okay.
and it is still growing. You see flowers are there. So this is very special because crop wise we love this kind of things. Yeah.